Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm going to make Paneer Tikka Biryani. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 3 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 green chillies, 1 lemon, 1 star anise, 3 bay leaves, cloves and cardamom, and 1 cinnamon stick, and a handful of coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt according to your taste. 200 grams of paneer cubes, 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's get started. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee to a pot, and then add all the paneer cubes into it and fry it until it becomes light golden brown. Now our paneer cubes are ready. To the same pot, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil into it. When the oil becomes hot, add bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cloves, star anise and cardamom into the pot. And then add the slightly chopped onions and saute it well until it becomes light golden brown. Now add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into it and mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Once the smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, then add the tomatoes and green chilies to it and give it a quick mix. Now squeeze the lemon. And then add salt according to your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of cumin powder and mix it well. Add a handful of coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Now add about 1.5 cups of milk and leave it for about 2 minutes. If you want, you can add the paneer cubes to this gravy itself, but I'm going to add it at the end on the top. Now let's cook the rice. Take another pot and fill it with water and add bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, cardamom and clove to it. And then add salt, here I'm using rock salt. And cover the lid till the water boils. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked rice into the water and add some oil and coriander leaves to it. And cook the rice until it's 3/4 done. Now the rice is 3/4 done. Now let's strain the water from the rice. Now let's transfer the rice into the pot where paneer gravy is ready. And then add food colorings on the top. Here I am using 3 different food colorings. This step is completely optional. And then add some coriander leaves. You can even use mint leaves as well. And then add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee on the top. Now add all the paneer cubes into it. Now add a small piece of hot charcoal on the top and add a teaspoon of oil to it, and close the lid immediately so that the smell of the charcoal is infused well with the Paneer Tikka Biryani. Remove the charcoal after 5 minutes and then use the foil to cover the biryani and leave it on the low flame for about half an hour. Now it's almost half an hour. Our Paneer Tikka Biryani is completely done. Now mix the rice slowly so that it doesn't break. Now our delicious Paneer Tikka Biryani is ready to be served. Try out this recipe at home. Hope you all like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates on my videos. Thank you all for watching.